In the previous video, we have studied what is osmosis and what is osmotic pressure. So in this video, we are going to discuss about measurement of osmotic pressure. How we can measure osmotic pressure. One of the important method is Berkeley and Hartley's method. The arrangement for measuring osmotic pressure with this method is given in the figure. Look at the figure. In the figure, there is an inner jacket. At the center of the arrangement, you can see an inner jacket. The border of the inner jacket is a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane here means electrolytically deposited potassium ferrocyanide solution. So that is the semi-permeable membrane. And in the jacket, in the inner jacket, pure solvent is taken. At the left side of the inner jacket, there you can see a capillary tube C. And at the right end, there is a reservoir and with a stopcock marked as S. Around the inner jacket, the solution is taken and there is a piston D. So this is the arrangement for measuring osmotic pressure. Then how we can measure osmotic pressure? The inner jacket containing the membrane electrolytically deposited by cupric ferrocyanide is filled with the pure solvent. One end of this is attached to a capillary indicator C and the other end to a reservoir through a stopcock S. The jacket is surrounded by a vessel containing solution. So there is pure solvent and semi-permeable membrane and solution. What will happen? There will be osmosis. So the solvent molecule will pass through the semi-permeable membrane from the solvent side, pure solvent side to solution side. Then there will be a decrease in the level of C. Look at this figure. C is a capillary tube. When the solvent passes through the semi-permeable membrane to the solution, the level of solvent at C will decrease. So to maintain that level, we have to apply a pressure with the piston D. So this pressure is applied on the piston D at the solution side. Due to this pressure, the osmosis will stop and we can measure that pressure. That pressure will be the osmotic pressure. So this is the method to measure osmotic pressure, Berkeley and Hartley method. There is an inner jacket. Within the inner jacket, pure solvent is taken and the two ends, the left end is connected with a capillary tube. At the right end, there is a reservoir with a stopcock and around there is a semi-permeable membrane also. And around the inner jacket, solution is taken. So osmosis will take place. The level of solvent at C will decrease due to osmosis. To maintain at the level, a pressure is applied. The pressure will stop osmosis. We can measure that pressure and that will be the osmotic pressure. So this is all about osmosis and osmotic pressure.